We think this year's top trend is going to be brushed bronze, and the detail you've put into this bay is amazing. You've looked after every single detail in bronze.
The bronze is a way to go. It looks so luxurious, and guess what? It would look even more luxurious in a darker, smaller bathrooms.
Amazing.
It's like a home spa. That's what you want. So look at this shower now. We have a gorgeous rainforest head. We have a gorgeous little shelf that is so convenient for family bathroom, and like the shower tray as well is just super easy to clean, and it looks so luxurious.
And I suppose, Violetta, you're seeing it as well as are we, because we're buying it. Bigger tiles are becoming more and more popular, especially in small spaces.
100%. Everyone wants to get bigger tiles these days. It's either for their small hallways, for their kitchens, for bathrooms, they're everywhere. And you know what? I'm very happy with that trend. The large tiles make your bathroom or any space appear bigger. So 100% I'm with this trend.
Yeah, and as I said, the less grouch you show as well.
Oh, 100%.
Always much better. Less cleaning.
As a busy mommy, I can guarantee you, less cleaning. That's the main issue.
Yeah, and obviously we see a big trend with people lifting the vanities up off the floor. It creates the illusion of space. Do you agree that that's a good tip?
Oh, 100%, especially if you add some LED light underneath. It will not only elevate your space, but also make it bigger. But look, as a busy mommy, I love floating bathrooms and vanity units, and only because they're easier to clean underneath it.
Good tip. Violetta, the big question that we're all asked in your industry, in our industry, is colour schemes. How do you pick the right colour scheme for your home?
I love natural color schemes, so warmer tones, so which we can actually see in this bathroom. So we have gorgeous bronze accessories. We have natural color palette on the tiles with a gorgeous feature wall, and then large effect tiles on the floor and the remaining walls. And for me, it's all about being classy, timeless, and this bathroom screams classy and timeless. It will last for years to come. And this is the perfect color scheme for any small bathroom actually, because colors are muted, they're very soft and gentle, and they'll make your bathroom appear much bigger. An amazing way of decorating bathroom is not to just use one tile, it's to mix 2 or 3 different tiles. Just like we did here in this bathroom. So what we did here is we use 2 different tiles and wall paneling on top of that. The reason it looks amazing is because we have a feature wall. Feature wall is made from wood effect paneling, and it gives a lot of texture and warmth to the space. The tiles that we used in here are balancing of that warmth of the wood paneling, and we use marble effect tile on the walls, and then we use concrete effect tiles on the floors. The reason everything looks so amazing in here is because we use a lot of different textures. So we balanced off the warmth of the wood with the high gloss tiles, and then with marble. These 3 elements always look amazing with each other. So if you want your bathroom to look timeless and amazing for many years to come, this is the way to do it. Another reason this bathroom looks so amazing is because we added a pop of color in here. So in this case, we use navy on the vanity unit, and then we have this lovely navy detail around the mirror. A pop of color is equally as important in the bathroom as is important in your sitting room or kitchen. If you want your focal wall to look amazing, not only with the texture but with another element of design, ensure that there's some kind of light on it. In this case, we have this gorgeous large round mirror. Round is amazing because it adds feminine element to otherwise very masculine bathroom. Everything in bathrooms is usually masculine because it's square or rectangle. So round, mirror, perfect.